Hello everyone, welcome to External Star Channel. My name is Marek, as you already know, and today I have two boxes here just in front of me, and both of them hide something very beautiful. Both are Mercedes-Benz Maybach, so one of them a bit older, W222, the second one W223. Yeah, so both of them Mercedes-Benz S-Class in Maybach trim, so the best luxuries available, made by Norev, and I ordered them both because they are both two tones color, and this one is black and white, and this one actually is it's silver and black. Yeah, and I'm not even sure if this is really black and white, maybe it's dark blue and white, but let's come to that later. In this video, actually today, I first want to unbox them both, and so maybe I will split it, like one video today will be only unboxing, and then sometime later will be a second video comparing them, yeah, and reviewing them. Because the content is so heavy that first, I'm not able to do everything just today, yeah? Unbox them and also review them. Second, you would be bored maybe after 30-40 minutes watching this video. Yeah? So I think like 20 minutes is kind of a limit when people still keep attention and watch YouTube videos. If this is longer, then probably it's a full night or evening movie, and there are not so many of you willing to watch this during your evenings. Maybe some of you maybe. Okay, so which one should I pick first? Yeah? So maybe we should really follow the time logic. Yeah? So this one was introduced first, and I should then maybe also unbox it first. So let's put this a little bit aside, yeah, and do this one. So as I said, both of them are made by Norev, and the good thing, both of them are metal diecast or zinc diecast, yeah, so no resin. You can fully open them. You have this transparent box here, so you immediately see what is inside, which is good. And Norev says this one is black, metallic and silver. It's 2018 model, and it's actually S650. So it should be the 12-cylinder, most powerful, most luxurious version out there with two tones color. Really, I don't think that it has ever been done on this 8-cylinder version. I think only the 12-cylinder has the right to have two tones of the paint. Alright, now maybe what is also quite interesting here, we have also always this spare emblem for the hood, yeah? So in case you break your Mercedes-Benz logo, then there is one more for you to use all the time. Since I collect like all the S-Class available, I already have like, I don't know, 10 spare emblems, and hopefully I will not need to use them anytime soon. Good, so then what is again important to realize that we have here 4 screws, yeah? So I will need a screwdriver. How do we do that without damaging anything? Yeah, a lot of tapes. Actually, really a lot of tape in here. Cool, so now, yeah, finally, there's a little bit more tape in here. Wow, this is really beautiful paint. And also the transparent roof, the sunroof with 2 parts. Oh no, I'm not reviewing the model now, yeah? So don't worry, it will be in the next video. But now, what I can see here, this is really one of the most beautiful models I have. The color, the tones, wow. Everything is so beautiful. And you know, normally I'm collecting only black color, but here I made an exception because first of all, Maybach is my favorite brand. Second, this two-tone color on both of them is really extraordinary. Maybe I should use gloves now because I don't really want to leave any fingerprints on this beautiful model. Yeah, but the second option would be also to use a little bit of wax and clean it later. Yeah, so I will not touch any windows or sensitive areas, and you should always be careful when you unbox it. Don't touch the windows, don't touch the logo, the emblems, sensitive part, maybe also wheels. Yeah, so I'm always holding the doors, and also in a way that I touched the doors where are the stickers. Yeah? So where the stickers are, it's exactly where you can touch them, because later you would need to anyway remove the stickers. Oh, the screws are not so deep as I thought originally. Alright, here we go. Norev number 1. Amazing, guys, this is amazing. So, let me take those screws, put them here to the box. The last one as well. Oh, where are you? The 4th screw doesn't want to cooperate. Here we go. Good, so yeah, that was box number 1. Numero 1. Nummer 1. Okay, so beautiful. So long here. This is so long. As I said, it's 650. The long version, of course. And oh wow, I think that's the longest, maybe one of the longest models that I have. It's really long and really beautiful. Yeah, so I'm already enjoying just looking at it is making me feel a little bit better today. Yeah, so it's making my day a bit better. But we have not stopped here. So here we have W223, the newest one released last year in 2021. It's again with 2 colors by Norev once again. Yeah, so let me also take it out of the box and see what we have. Yeah, so really today is one of the nice days now in January, and some people ask me, wow, but this one should be released now only in March or sometime. No, guys, it was already released, and I bought it from China directly. It was here in Europe like in 7 days. So don't ask me where. I'm usually not promoting e-shops usually. Sometimes I do, but not in this case. Yeah, you can just find your source where to buy it. And I'm usually not answering the questions where to buy it. I always only say on eBay. And you find your e-shop or your dealer on eBay, yeah. And then based on the number of reviews, if this is like 97, 98% and up, then it's probably a reliable source, and then you can buy it. And that's what I did. Yeah, so I'm not here to promote any business. I'm not here to promote Norev. Yeah, so no, I don't care about Norev actually. If this is a shitty model, I will say it. But this will actually be very beautiful. This one is definitely beautiful. This one is one of the greatest models for the price point. Absolutely must have. And now the second one. I see the spare logo here, but also door opening tool. I think it was not there in the previous one. No. So this one has extra door opening tool. Maybe I can show it to you here. Yeah, just check it out. And now let's go and also unbox the second one. Yeah. A lot of tape again. Cool. So now I can remove the top. Oh, it's really blue. Yeah, blue over pearl white or something like that. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, it's a little bit different experience with this one already. Yeah, I can tell you that my feelings are hurt a little bit. Yeah. So the previous one, when I took it out of the box, the very first impression was a little bit better with the older one, with W222. But here I can already tell you, yeah, I'm not reviewing it, so maybe I should hide it for next time. But the gaps between the windows are a bit higher here, the big and wider, and the color is, maybe I really need to polish it with wax and make it a little bit more shiny. Yeah, so here it doesn't look like it's a premium model. Especially here, the hood is a bit dirty, but definitely I will try to clean it, polish it, wax it, and then it will be also very, very nice. Yeah. Okay. So now the same thing. I will just take the 4 screws away. again, not so deep. All right, that's the second one. Now out of the box, yeah, and all right, so let's put them here. My first observations, yeah, so this one is also very long, and maybe if I had to choose my favorite color, good question, yeah, so maybe this one is a little bit more beautiful. Also the back and the tail lights, yeah, so my first impression is really, I would rate this a little bit higher. This one, however, is newer and I really need to get used to it, yeah, so it's so new that I'm still a bit hesitant what to think about this new Maybach. And yeah, so now I will just put them here side by side, and yeah, actually, as I promised, now today I'm only unboxing them, yeah, and not really going through all the details, quirks and features. I will do it next time. Yeah, so please, if you like what you see now, if you like the models, and if you would like to see me how I'm opening all the doors, trunk, engine, how I'm comparing all the tiny details, then please subscribe. And next time, I think it could be like a week or two, maybe even a month, yeah, if something goes wrong, terribly wrong, then I will review them, compare them, and then I will declare who is the final winner of this competition. And maybe I will also make my personal feelings a little bit public, yeah, so, but not today, not today. It's really here only to show you what I just unboxed, both of them by Norev. I feel now like Maybach king, and as I said before, Maybachs are my favorite cars, and I have two of them right here. I am really happy today. So thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.